The Florida Department of Health wants you to protect your family and friends from COVID-19. We are all at risk of transmitting the coronavirus to someone who may not be able to recover if they get it. It's important to understand that people who are older and those with medical conditions such as blood disorders, chronic kidney or liver disease, have a compromised immune system, a current or recent pregnancy, heart disease, lung disease, or a neurological condition are at highest risk for a bad outcome. Please visit floridahealth.gov and the CDC websites to stay informed.